Welcome to my channel Study GK to Grow. This is a video of 25 most important general knowledge questions. So watch till the end. Let us start the video. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Which country is the largest producer of platinum? Answer is South Africa. Exposure to sunlight helps a person to improve his health because answer is the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. Entomology is the science that studies answer is insects. Which country is called land of thousand islands? Answer is Indonesia. In eye donation, which part of donor's eye is utilized? Answer is cornea. In world milk production, India ranks. Answer is first. Who was the real founder of Portuguese power in India? Answer is Alfonso de Albuquerque. Provincial autonomy was a feature of which act? Answer is the Government of India Act 1935. The tribesmen Eskimo are found in which country? Answer is Canada. Which country on the map of world appears as long shoe? Answer is Italy. When National Girl Child Day of India is observed? Answer is 24th January. The folk dance Chhau belongs to which state? Answer is Jharkhand. Which is the first ever pollution control warship? Answer is Samudra Prahari. In March 1925, who was elected as the President of the Central Legislative Assembly? Answer is Vitthal Bhai Patel. During which Gupta king's reign did the Chinese traveller Fahian visit India? Answer is Chandragupta Dvitiya. Tera Tali is the folk dance of which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Garam Pani Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer is Assam. What was the name of atomic bomb that dropped on the city Nagasaki? Answer is Fat Man. Reuters is the news agency of which country? Answer is United Kingdom. The first pollution-free biodiesel plant in India became operational in October 2007. In which place? Answer is Kakinada. Which component of blood is considered as the guard cell of our body? Answer is WBC. Which cloud is found at the highest level in atmosphere? Answer is Cirrus. Which is the lightest metal? Answer is lithium. Which of the Government of India Acts contained the provision of bicameralism in provinces? Answer is Government of India Act 1935. Thanks for watching.